Hi guys, welcome to Chili's.
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching my boyfriend how to make a kawaii Halloween charm using polymer clay. I've got different designs that I've drawn and he's going to pick one. I've got a bat, Jack Skellington, Day of the Dead, pumpkin, or a little zombie.
I won't do that one.
What do you want to do?
We're gonna do this one.
Do you want to do that one?
Yeah, we'll do this one. Do you want to do this one?
What do you want to do?
We'll do this one.
I don't know, what do you want to do?
We're gonna do this one.
Okay, we'll do that one.
Okay, so we've got normal white and glitter white for the skull. We've got glitter black and normal black for the details. We've got rose light pink for the cheeks. I've got ruby quartz and gold for my details. And then Ethan's decided to use this lump of pre-mixed clay from my scrap box. Gone ahead and conditioned our clay, and now we're going to make the skeleton using...
Skeleton.
Did I say skeleton?
Probably.
Oh.
I can't really tell anymore.
We're gonna make the skull now with our clay, with our white clay. I've got glitter white and Ethan's got normal white.
What are we doing?
Okay, so first we're gonna roll our clay into a ball in the palm of our hands like this. Like that. And now we're gonna gently press on our work surface to flatten out into a circle. Pressing down on the sides as well so we can dome it. You happy with that?
Yeah. It's okay.
So from here, we're going to just pinch the bottom, just a little bit like that. Just pinch, no, the side, look what I'm doing. Pinch the side like that. So it's kind of making like an alien head. Look, my fingers, copy what I'm doing, and then pinch.
Oh, I think
Like
it pinch
that.
like downwards.
No, pinch the sides like this. So a shape that resembles this. What have you done?
Let me just re-roll it.
Now we're going to shape the bottom of the skull. We're going to roll to make the indent. Can you see that there?
It's like a butthole.
Ethan. So we'll do 3. So you put one in the middle first, and then you roll the other one on the right, and then another one on the left. So you have that. Yeah.
So yeah. Mess this up somewhere.
So 1. Yeah, no, that's really good. Yeah. Yours actually better than mine.
Debatable. He's a wonky tooth.
It's got a wonky tooth, it's fine. Now I just need to find a ball tool that will create the eye indents. Lightly press into the clay.
Define lightly.
Okay, not too lightly, because we still want to make the indent. Be careful. Move that, because I'm scared you're going to smush it.
Me? Do such a thing. That's character.
That's cute, I like that. Okay, we're going to take our black clay now and we're going to roll them into 2 equal balls and pop them in the eye indents. Okay, so to do that, if you roll it into a log, so put that, and now we'll cut 2 equal sections. You just walk over that, so. And no, and no, stop it. We're now going to cut
eyeballs out.
Stop it. Cut 2
Cuts.
equal. And now we're going to roll these into balls. And now pop them in. And now we're going to flatten them. We can now indent them.
Hammers!
Yours is so cute.
Alright.
We're now going to create this nose, and an easy way to do this is basically just an upside down heart. So I'm going to do that now. With the same black colour for the nose, roll it into a ball, and then into a log. Got it? And then flatten it down, cut at an angle. Oh my god, you're speeding through. That's good. I'll cut mine at an angle as well. And then, what have you done with that angle? We need that
Oh,
bit.
you didn't say! That's the end, so.
Okay, so now we're going to get one side, flip it the other way, and then connect it. And you have a heart. Whilst Ethan makes his nose again, we can place it on upside down on the skeleton. There we go. And we have the face. Okay, so to make the cheeks, what we want to do is we want to, I'll give you some pink clay, there you go. Roll it into a ball again, okay. Now we're going to make these.
Oh god. Well, I think I might put mine a bit too close.
That's fine, I've put mine quite close as well, so what we can do is we can just dot either side.
Okay.
So we've got 8 equal sections. Okay, that looks good. Yeah. We're now going to use our gold clay. Remove these.
Yippee-ki-yay.
Oh my goodness, yours is like, I'll split this in half for you. There you go. Rolling it into a log and then cutting out 16 teeny tiny equal sections, and then we can roll them into balls and we can pop them in there. So we're back and we have put in the gold. Ethan decided to texture his spots, and I just left mine as they were. It doesn't look terrible, it looks really good. I like it. You can move your fingers now. Babe, please. Our last step is that we're going to put some teardrop shapes in our chosen colours at
Where?
the top of the skull. At the top.
Oh.
Stop! So to make the teardrop shapes, we're going to want to separate some off. We're not going to need all of it. We want about this much clay, which we're then going to roll into a log and then cut in half. And then this section here, we're going to cut in half again because we want 2 small teardrops and 1 big teardrop. Section, we're going to roll it into a ball. Just going to roll it on one side. So if we pinch it and roll, we can get this teardrop shape, which we can then just flatten like that. There you go. And now flatten that. And if you do this, pinch like that. Like that. And then just repeat with the 2 other sections. Putting one there and one there. And then you should have something that looks a little bit like this. This looks really good. It is! So I went ahead and added in a couple of dots on Ethan's, and then I also added some more dots on mine. Now if you want to turn it into a charm, you can put in a eye pin. We're going to turn ours into magnets, and then you can bake according to package's instructions. Horrible man. Here they are, we've finished them. I went ahead and added on a magnet on the back. And I also glazed them with my UV resin. Do you like them?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It's alright.
Do you like it? Are you happy?
Yes. You said that out with.
So I really hope you enjoyed this little craft with me and my boyfriend video. What are you doing?
Borrowed it from different angles.
If you did like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I post lots of videos like like this. Maybe not exactly either, not like this, but And comment down below what I should make next. Bye guys.